My landing light, my transformer outside the house just blew up. I'm opening up the new Bowman Chrome baseball sapphire. Let's see how I did. I believe it or not, I opened up Topps Chrome baseball sapphire, and I pulled that Shohei Ohtani I did in the last video, and a James Wood gold, and I actually pulled a rookie Suzuki 1-1 Parisha. It's that pretty pink like a sapphire in the sparkles. So here we go. Let's see how we do. All right, Bowman Chrome baseball. We got 1, 2. Oh boy, you got like 6 packs. Let me push you a little bit further back. Here we go, pack 1. All right, let's see, pretty cards. Royce Lewis, Henry Torres, somebody. Then let's see what this is. It's backwards. It could be an awesome card, y'all, but I don't think so. I don't see no number on the back because Jacob Wilson is one of the better rookies. Let me see. Let's flip it over quick. Now, just a regular old Jacob Wilson. It looked like it could be a variation. Jacob Wilson. Let's see if I can look at the number on the back. I can't see the number good in the dark, but it was a Jacob Wilson. I'll take that. That's a good hit. All right. Pack number 2. You get 1 auto out of that box. All right. Let's see some color. Look like a gold or orange. So Aiden Johnson, Warrell Solano, Manny Machado, and slowly but surely, let's see what we're getting here. Oh, it's not no rookie, but he played for the Dodgers, which is a good team, looks like. All right, kind of Blake Snell, gold number to 50. So as you can see, you get some beautiful cards in this stuff. I think I got 2 more parallels to hit. Oh, okay. I got, look like I got an insert card. Annie Lilo Marquez. Chris Rodriguez, that's another good hit. And then people, let's see. It's look reddish to me, but I don't know. That'd be, and he played for the Astros. Can it be, don't look like a Bobby Witt. Oh, it must be orange. It's 25 out of 25. It's one of them, look like a selection. Wow. Kevin Alvarez. Wow, that's a pretty card, orange. That's a beautiful card. Oh man, we saw put a gold, put them there, and then I believe that this Jacob Wilson there is a insert. So there go my auto. Could have did a lot worse. I'm thankful for the auto. Beautiful card. Okay, Sean Burke, rookie, Delio Dillinger, Brace Elrich, Carson Williams.